Robotics is quite new in the oil and gas industry. Main motivation of Total to develop this area is to be ready for what we call NUF, or normally unattended facilities. By NUF, we mean installations that are only visited once a year for a short maintenance campaign. Among the numerous challenges to achieve NUF, one is related to the capability to perform operation and maintenance tasks when nobody is on site. For us, robotics is the solution. Here is our robotic roadmaps. Total journey with robotics started 7 years ago with the Argos Challenge, which resulted in a world premiere, an ATEX autonomous ground robot. This success allowed us to draw a roadmap with 3 different types of robots for surveillance inspection, operation, and maintenance. In 2018, we began working on this roadmap with Torob, the winner of the Argos Challenge. OGRIP was the first project. Its purpose was to bring the Argos Challenge prototype to the level of an industrial-grade robot. This robot is now commercialized as the Torob Inspector. Our second project is ongoing under the Argos GIP. This is a simple manipulation robot, mainly for operation tasks. Here, the goal will be to be able to operate with this robot on a simple installation like a wellhead platform. We are also actively preparing the next phase of the Argos GIP, where we will develop a robot capable of complex manipulations, mainly for maintenance purposes. It is important to notice that all robots share common characteristics. They are autonomous, ATEX, and so on. So here is the summary of the OGRIP project. This surveillance inspection robot performs operators' rounds. Through its sensors, it can collect data like images and sound. It can detect gas and do 3D scans. The development took nearly 2 years. Once completed, we went through a normal commissioning procedure. The factory acceptance test took 2 weeks. All functionality of the robots were checked against specification at this stage. Then came the site acceptance test for another 2 weeks before the robot was officially handed over to the operation team. Between SAT and FAT, we had the opportunity to go offshore in the Netherlands, where autonomous missions were done in a live condensate recovery unit, as well as a corrosion and painting survey. Since November, the robots are in operation in the Shetland gas plant in the Meg desalination unit. They are operated by Total personnel with 171 missions so far. The objective is to assess the durability of the robot in an environment, in an industrial environment for 1 year. Maintenance, when needed, is done remotely. In the future deployment, we will operate the robot from distant locations, like robot offshore operated from onshore, and test the robot in other challenging climates, like Middle East or offshore Africa. Now, to conclude, I will share with you the video of the Shetland deployment. Thank you for your attention.
We are at Shetland gas plant, which is where we process the gas from our Lag and Tormore fields. And what's happening today, well, we have a robot on site for some live SATs for a site acceptance test, where a robot is going to come and join us for the next 12 months and hopefully beyond.
Total ENP UK was very motivated in supporting the development of robotics Thus, we went together in the development, and this ended up by the test of the robot in the Shetland gas plant, which offers a very difficult environment, thus a very good opportunity to test the endurance of the robot.
One of the main benefits of having robots here is the opportunity on a high-risk oil and gas facility is to allow our team to work in a safer environment.
The robots will approach their area of operation, which is a desalination module, autonomously. They will climb some stairs there and then drive from checkpoint to checkpoint, taking a picture. It will upload the picture to the cloud, where it is evaluated. And then after a series of checkpoints, the robot goes back into its docking station and recharges.
We're very excited to have the robot on site. You know, we feel very honoured to be the first site, not only within Total, but also within the industry, to have a live robot. For the next 12 months, you know, we plan to get up to speed on the robot, to really get the robot doing some really valuable tasks.
It really is an innovative project. It's using robots where they've never been used before. We're working at the cutting edge of technology, so I think using high technology in robots really complemented that, and it gave us the opportunity to be at the forefront.
At TEP UK, we believed in this innovative project from the very start. We saw the potential of robotics and how the technology could be applied at our oil and gas sites. Contributing to this world first is a fantastic opportunity. It has also been a great chance to showcase what the Shetland gas plant can do and to play our part in building the future of Total.